describe yung chemistry ni Gab and Haya? And kinilig din ba kayo habang tinupunan ng mga eksena nila?
Actually, ano pa lang po, look test pa lang. Parang matagal na nila magkakilala. Yung sinasabi nilang months pa lang. Pero nung first time ko sila ma-meet, parang ang tagal na nila magkakilala. So, ayun, tinan niyo sila. Yan, kung alam din nila tayo rin. Ayun, meron agad. Nung hindi pa nga kami nagbabasa po ng script, look test pa lang, photoshoot, meron na agad eh. I think yun yung natural, yun yung mahirap hanapin sa isang love team. And I think meron sila, no?
Okay, maraming salamat.
Okay, thank you so much. And our final batch for today includes Marie Cristy Casio, Naz Tabares, Vix Almacen, and our content creators, Darrell Balesi and Ana Rina TV. Okay, so you may direct your questions to all of our cast. Okay po. Ngayon, from Hataw, pakinggan natin si Marie Cristy Casio. Na birthday daw niya! Let's all sing her a happy birthday! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you! Kaya pala may pansit. Rapahan natin this birthday.
Habang naglalagay mo ng pansit.
Okay, so may pansit station po tayo dito. Kung gusto po ninyo, lapit na po. Thank you!
Hindi ko tuloy alam, matatanong pala ako, nakakabili. Anyway, hindi, tanong ko lang kung ilan libro kay Guay. Kasi di ba, before natanong, ay nasabi mo na lahat ng lati, magkakaroon na moment nila para. So, itatanong ko kung ilang books pa.
6 books po siya in total. So, nasa book 3 na po tayo right now.
Okay, thank you. Tapos, isang bonus lang, kapag nagkakaroon ba ng mga tampuhan, yung mga isa lang ano mo, birthday ko daw. Kapag kasi, eto po din lang, kung nagkakaroon daw ng tampuhan yung mga love team, sino yung nauunang manuyo o mag-sorry? Sa mga love team.
Ay, di ba po kami nagkaroon ng tambuhan ni Haya? Pero of course, yung lalaki po siyempre kailangan po manuya para sa akin.
So I guess Manuyo is saying sorry. Yeah. I agree with that.
So, may mga misunderstanding daw kayo.
Yes. Si Krisha and Jerome, meron na ba? Wala pa?
Jerome, sa amin dalawa naman po kasi, since ako halimbawa, automatic naman sa akin pag na-feel ko na ako yung unang nagkamali, I will say sorry. Kapag siya nagkamali, I will say sorry. So, ano lang, balikan na ako.
Thank you.
Okay. Sino pa? May tampuhan?
Jairus.
Wala. Kasi syempre, professional naman kami lahat magtrabaho dito. So, as much as possible, we set emotions aside. And I don't think things get too personal kasi we're working naman talaga as per our characters. So, walang tampuhan. And if ever man, worst comes to worst scenario, mangyari man. Syempre, the guy will always be the first one para humingi ng sorry if ever naman yung tampuhan. But at the end of the day, we're professionals, we're just working. And yeah, we have good connections naman for love teams. Ikaw, Wilbur.
Hindi pa po kami umaabot doon. Wala ko lang pong tampuhan sa amin. Pero if ever meron, syempre ako yung magsasorry. Kahit mali ko. Wala. Talagang lang talaga lalaki.
Thank you.
Totoo yan na. Tatungin natin kayo ulit sa next media ko. Diba? Dapat. Okay. Next. From Pelikula Mania. Pakinggan natin si Naz Tabares.
Hello, ako kay Haya.
Here in front.
Yung poster reveal pa lang kasi parang medyo emotional. Tiya yung kanya. So, gaano ka importante sa iyo yung project na to and bakit medyo emotional ka?
Actually, to be honest, medyo I have support. I think from the weather. But also, now that you bring it up, it has been overwhelmingly surreal to see everything. I feel, seeing that made me feel very proud of myself. And of course, with Gab and everyone, because we worked so hard for this. And just to see everything come together, even just little things like this, like the poster, it really warms my heart because it means a lot.
Okay, thank you so much. And next up from Bix Buzz at Abante, we have Bix Almacen.
Hi, good afternoon. Para sa cast, hindi pa kayo nahirapan kasi pabago-bago yung director niyo. And how was working with the director?
Okay, so to all the cast po, tama? Okay, so start tayo from this end all the way to this end. Aubrey?
Hello po. Ako naman po, every time nga po na may bagong director ng October, syempre I'm nervous. Pero I'm really excited naman po kasi panibagong challenge naman po sa akin. Kasi gusto ko rin po na kahit dito sa industry na makapag-trabaho po ako with other directors. Pero kay director po pa po nakapag-shooting eh. So, inaas ko pa lang po si Nahaya, how was it working with Direk? And yun nga, si Direk daw po, he's very kind and very chill. So, looking forward to work with Direk. Sa akin naman po, hindi naman po mahirap makipag-work sa iba't ibang directors. Actually, parang, ano rin siya, parang marami akong natutunan since they have different flavors sa directing. And since bago actress din po ako, it's what I'm looking for. I'm really eager to learn from different directors. And I'm really excited to work with Direk kasi for sure another flavor din naman to. And we'll see what I have to learn more from Direk to. Yeah.
The cast and we were like talking about it, and no. And it was funny because we were like saying how it feels this like a class, like a batch, right? And every time parang may ibang professor in a way. And there's like the professor is the director. You get it? Yeah. Okay. And yeah, you enjoy it? Yeah. So, anyways, it's funny because I don't know, me, I like to find where the breaking point of the director is. You know, I'm always like waiting where they're gonna break down. Everyone says they're chill until there's gonna be like a stressful time. Not because I'm the fault, I just wanna like see it. You know, I just wanna like be there to see it. I don't know, I'm just I don't know, interested.
Yeah, sasabihin ko dapat yung sinabi ni Marco. Hindi pa kami nakakapag-shoot kay Direk, pero excited na rin ako of course kasi syempre iba-iba din naman talaga yung teaching techniques nila. Pero ang pinakamaganda doon is natutunan namin paano mag-adapt to different directors. Paano yung atake, syempre iba rin yung what do you call this? Yung tingin ng director per character. And so, yeah, I'm just so excited to work with Direk and to bond with Direk. And so, yeah.